I needed a lot of people to assist me in that, so I used various kinds of means to get people. One of them was job portals. I downloaded resumes. No, I got resume packages, and I downloaded resumes. I posted jobs. I got some response for the posted jobs as well. And I also went to the extent of initiating the interviews. Many a times when I was initiating the interviews, when I was there, I had the resume in my hand, and the candidate sitting in front of me. Often the resume and the candidate never matched because you read the resume and you have a certain impression on the resume, and when you have the candidate, the whole point is you expect something more, sometimes you have less, sometimes you expect less, you have something more. So I was always having a pain doing that, and it was just a pain. And after that, I had to visit my brother. He was studying in Scotland, Glasgow then. So we got up for lunch. We were sitting and talking about a lot of things. Mr. A.S. was a part of it. He's an old friend of mine. He was part of it. We were discussing about various things. We were very young at that time. We were discussing about various things, how to do the business, what is happening in India, how Indian talents respected all over the world, and the land price going up, what we have to do to improvise. And he was telling me that Indian people are very strong. You have to recruit them. I said, we have a real problem of recruitment. I had a pain point as a recruiter, recruiting 2 job holders. And suddenly an idea popped out. Okay, if you do video interview, you can save you cost and time. At that time, it was just a suggestion, and I came back home. I was carrying on with my routine. One day, I was sitting in the office all alone. I wanted to recruit some more people, and I just thought about the idea. So I went back to the internet. I searched on the internet. Is there any job portal which has video interview? To my surprise, there was none having video interview. I thought it would be a common thing. To my surprise, it was none. There were none, sorry. So my dad always told me, if you have an idea, it will fade off as an idea if you don't implement it. If you work for it, you can make your idea become reality. And if you want to do that, do it immediately because someone's already thinking about it. So I was always fascinated about the internet. So I want to do a lot of things in the internet because I grew up as an internet loving person. So I said, okay, this is the time we have to get into this place. So I called up Mr. Yasin. At that time, he was working in a telecommunication company. I told him what I felt about the idea and how we should take it forward. To my surprise, he was also thinking similar grounds. I remember him telling me that he has had a lot of ideas in life, and as you grow, you see a lot of things because you've been born with the internet age. You see a lot of things. A lot of things evolve around you every day. He has had a lot of ideas. Nothing has gone big because he's never put or taken a step ahead to do anything big. So he told me, if not now, I will never do it ever. So he went to the extent of quitting his job. He was working in UK at that time. He quit his job. He joined the company in January 2007. So from Jan for 4 to 5 months, we were doing complete research about job industry, job portals, recruitment process in India, the total employment structure, what is in India, the internet, how the internet is growing, how the broadband is going. So we were set. So then we initiated the company PGC Infotech, funded by the parent company PGC Industries, and we started off. And my brother, he finished his UG then, and he came and joined me, Mr. Vikram. We put together a very enthusiastic team. We got a couple of the best domain experts advice. We started off there. And we had to explore a lot of areas because the whole field was new for us. Yes, I'm a user of the internet, but I don't know what techniques are behind it. And one of that was e-marketing. And we went to the internet, searched for a good e-marketing company. We found Connector, the name, it was coming on top. Obviously, the e-marketing, so the company will definitely come on top. So we said, okay, let's go meet somebody there. So we came to Bombay, we met Mr. Rami there. To my surprise, or I should say in other words, he was the biggest motivating factor for us because we were young, we were energetic. Yes, it's good to be young and energetic, but you have to be real. Okay, there are so many big players, you have to be real. At that time, we were talking about SEO, SEM, CPC, CPM, all technical code work. I thought was technical, but it's very simple. See, cost per click, cost per impression, it's all about e-advertising. And beyond that, he helped us a lot in doing development of the site, giving us advice, taking strategic directions, what is the competition, how we have to address the competition. I should take this opportunity to thank you. Thank you, Mr. Yeah. Now I have told you a bit about the company, how it